Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how you repeat tasks on Todoist. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Todoist.com website and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to see all the tasks that you have scheduled for today. As you can see here, I have a couple of tasks that I have, and as you can see here, I have made a task that I am calling make a YouTube tutorial. So as you can see, for today, the 4th of April, I have scheduled this make a YouTube tutorial task right here. So guys, let's say that I want to repeat this task sometime in the future. How do you do that? Well, it's very easy guys, and you only need a couple of steps. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and duplicate this task, and you're going to do that by guys going to the right side of the task name and finding these three dots right here. You want to go ahead guys and click on the three dots, and now this will open up this new drop down menu where you will have multiple options such as editing the task or setting reminders and so on. What we want to do guys is go ahead and click on duplicate. Clicking on duplicate guys, now you can see this has created a duplicate of our task that is right here, that is the same as our original task. So what we want to do guys now is go ahead and open up the second task that we have duplicated that we want to add. And now we want to change the due date for the next time that we want this task to repeat. Let's say that we want to repeat tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and set tomorrow guys, and now we can go ahead and exit out of the task. As you can see, it is no longer right here because this is for the 4th of April. I'm going to go ahead right here in the upper left corner and I'm going to select upcoming tasks. And now guys, you can see tomorrow there is a task called make YouTube tutorial. It is at the same time and everything as the original tutorial is the original task. But now we have successfully repeated it, and we can do that as many times as we want. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.